Hi foodies, today we're going to make a tangy, savory and sweet and crunchy dish that takes just 20 minutes to make and is better than a takeout. Join me for a moment to find out what it is.
This dish is one of the staples in Asian restaurants and has endless variations. I'm making the one that we in Fabits love the most. For this recipe I use chicken breasts, which I cut in cubes and tossed in the cornstarch so that every piece is well coated. Then I typically prep my veggies, dicing a couple of red bell peppers and the broccoli in the size close to the size of chicken cubes will make veggies cook within the same time. To avoid broccoli crushing into tiny green bits, I usually slightly cut the stem of a large piece and then split it with hand. And the garlic, I simply mince it and set aside along with the diced veggies. Once the veggies are ready, it is time to make the sauce. In a small bowl, I combine the soy sauce, the rice vinegar, the hoisin sauce, the honey, and the cornstarch, and stirred it all into a smooth mixture. To give the sauce a bit of a spicy kick, I've added a pinch of red chili flakes. Next step is heating vegetable oil in the wok to shallow fry chicken cubes until they are just slightly golden. For frying, make sure you use the oil with a high smoking point. In this video, I've used safflower oil. To check if the oil is hot to start frying, simply insert a wooden spoon or a chopstick into the oil, and if you see little bubbles around it, it's good to go. Fry the chicken in small batches if you want your chicken cooked through well. To get rid of excessive oil, let the fried chicken cubes sit on a paper towel for a while. Pour out the oil in which the chicken was fried, but do not discard it. In the description below, you'll find some tips on how to store the used oil and then use it again safely. Now, on a medium heat and in the same wok, add a couple tablespoons of fresh vegetable oil and the minced garlic, and then add cashews. Stir it constantly until cashews are slightly golden on one of the sides. Then, add the broccoli and the bell peppers, season with salt, and stir continuously until the broccoli gets its darker shade. Add the fried chicken and give everything a good stir. Then pour the sauce over the veggies and the chicken and stir until the sauce thickens and you see the veggies, chicken, and cashews are getting glossy. Give it a few more stirs and turn off the heat. Serve with or without rice. We enjoy the stir fry on its own, garnished with minced green onions and white and black sesame seeds. All ingredients and measurements and some tips on how to clean, store, and reuse the frying oil are listed below in the description to this video, so check them out. Tell us in the comments what you've liked the most in this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed your time with us today, and if so, watch our new episode next week. See you then!